Wondering what's next after graduation? Curious what happens in real-life work? Or do you just need the right motivation from IT alumni of your Espinaona? Introducing the ITSL Tech Career Stories Podcast, a monthly series featuring IT alumni from your Espinaona, sharing their real-life career journeys in the tech industry.
Sa TechCom ko na-experience maging mascot. So, naging mascot ng Voltes 5.
Wala bukod sa sapa ka. At first, hindi ako nakakasunod sa kanya kasi marami akong commitment.
With Mr. Art San Diego, former CCS SB President Ms. Hanelin Comandante, former ITSL President Geneva May Garcia, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Are you ready to take charge of your future? Your future in tech starts now. This is the Tech Career Stories Podcast.
Good day ka-IT, I'm Alfredo Reyes, Deputy of the URSP BSIP Student League, and welcome to ITSL Tech Career Stories Podcast. Today, we have an aspiring guest who will share her journey, how she got into tech, her college experience, and how she built her career. She is a batch 2023 alumna of URSP Nawanan, the former president of ITSL year 2022-2023, and now she is a software engineer at Accenture Philippines. Let's give up a warm welcome to Ms. Geneva May Garcia.
Ayan, hi everyone. Basta kayo.
So let's start at the beginning of your journey. How did you interest in tech start?
Ano ako nito yung junior high, ICT yung TLE to din. Not sure po anong tawag dun. Pero parang yun yung parang course na pipiliin mo. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy yun nung senior high. And mas pumupaw sa akin nung pansin niya sa cybersecurity seminar namin. So, parang dahil doon, parang yun naging reason kung bakit nag-IT na lang ako sa college. Ayun. Ayun, doon nag-start.
So now let's talk about your college day at your SB. Was there any professor who made a significant impact on your college life? Could you share some memorable moments?
For me, si Sir Alkin, yung significant prof. Siguro sa section din namin, si Sir Alkin talaga. Kasi, siya, maging professor namin siya, first year college pa lang. At first, hindi ako makasunod sa kanya kasi sobrang niya, magaling siya magturo. And, since, madama din ako commitments ng college, first year, nahirapan ako. Pero, masasabi ko talaga na matalino si Sir. And, nagustuhan ko yung trait sa kanya. Siya, straightforward.
Straightforward. So, ano po yung mga challenges po during, capstone or project?
Challenging siya kasi ako yung mga programmers. That time. Also, ako yung nag-check documents ko. Wala ka naman siya ipasa or what. And, so, working ako. Officer ako nila eh. At the same time, handle ko yung ITSL. May iba pa ako organizations. And then, class president din ako. Tapos, yung sa pagpapakal-down. Pero, lalo rin sa clinic ko, classmates ko, officers ko, kung grupo ko sa thesis. So, tuloy na sa kanila. Hindi ko din matatapos yung task ko. Hindi ka rin masasurvive in third year and fourth year phase. Okay. Ayun.
So, what's the most important lesson you learned during your college time at URNES?
For me, unang-una, yung mag-seek ka ng knowledge. definitely, sasucceed ka sa life. Pagka, yun yung isang trait mo. Yung lagi kang curious, curious ka sa, ito, ano kaya to? So, aaralin mo siya. Ganun. Next, dapat flexible ka. Flexible ka at all times kasi, not every plan na is 100% guarantee na will work. So, ayun, learn to accept rejections.
So, after graduation naman po tayo. So, kumbaga na tayo sa real world. O, tunay naman doon ang yung journey. So, what was your life after graduation po?
Nung graduate ako, nagpahinga ako. Pahinga malala. I think, kailangan ko yun. Kasi, 4 years 4 years sa college, hindi rin biro yung stress, diba natin? Especially, 3rd year and 4th year. Parang yan talaga pinaka-crucial eh. So yun, nagpahinga ako. After, siguro weeks lang naman, ako nagpahinga talaga ng bongga. Kasi baka pag nag-apply akong trabaho, alam niyo yun, baka tumungaf na talaga ako sa harap ng HR. Pero, ayun, nagpahinga ako. And then, after nun, prepare ko yung CV ko. And list down ako ng mga possible companies na pwede kong pasukan. It took me months bago ako nagkaroon ng work. So, hindi rin zero yung paghahanap ng work.
So, ano naman po yung mga challenges na naranasan niyo sa paghahanap ng?
In challenges nun is, madami. Ang dami kasing IT nag-graduate. So, parang kayo agawang kayo sa position na yun.
Agawan ng slots po mo.
Oo. So, ngayon, ang panlaban mo lang dyan, yung skills mo eh. So, ayun, isa yun sa challenges. And also, financial. Siyempre, parang, hihingi ka ba sa nanay mo, sa tatay mo, ng panggastos mo? Parang nakakahiya sa part ko. Parang nahihiya ako na manghingi. Penny baon, maghahanap lang ako ng trabaho. Diba? So, ayun, isa yun sa challenge for me.
May I know if ilang taon na po kayo working sa tech field?
Na ako? 1 year na kasi 2023 October ako nag-start sa Accenture. 1 year na.
So, ano po yung mga previous milestone or achievement nyo po sa tech?
For me, isa yung yung nakakuha ako ng maraming certifications, sagot yun ng company. And also, yung na-promote ako last year from associate to analyst. And, ayun, thanks sa currently team ko kasi sila yung yung naging coaches kumbaga. So, ayun. Yun yung significant accomplishments ko sa life.
Congratulations po sa pag-promote niyo sa ibang pwesto.
Thank you.
What skills helped you succeed in your career po?
Skills. So, ayun, tulad nga nung sinabi ko kanina sa life lessons. I think yung magiging flexible and yung pagiging organized. And last is yung pakikisama. Kung hindi ka nakikisama kasi parang mahirap yun. So, yeah, you can never go wrong sa pakikisama. And ayun, add mo na rin yung respeto sa kapwa.
What's your upcoming plans po sa tech industry?
For me, upskilling lang. Kumbaga, yung magdagdagan ng skills mo, i-improve ko pa yung skill ko. Ayun, para nagkaroon ako ng experience and nadagdagan yung knowledge ko. For now, yun lang naman yung plans ko.
Lastly, before we wrap up, could you share advice or motivation for your mga ka-IT po? For our ka-ITs po.
Ang advice lang sasabi ko, keep on upscaling eh. Kasi yung technology natin, parang masyadong yung progress ng technology natin. And keep on studying lang kasi may pera sa IT industries. Kasi at the end of the day, then you'll gain something from it sa mga trainings. So,
Any final words, promotion, or shoutouts sa mga dating crops or classmate mo?
Ayun, hello. Hello sa lahat ng mga naging professors ko. Ayun, musta na po kayo. And sa mga classmates ko, padayon lang. And alam ko mahirap ang life. Pero, need nating pag-keep moving. Ayun.
And that's wrap up this episode of ITSL Tech Career Stories podcast. Pres Gineva May Garcia, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your inspiring journey. I'm sure our professors are proud of you and our IT students gain valuable insights today. Ka-ITs of URS Binangonan, take these lessons as we continue our journey. Don't forget to support ITSL activities, our webinars, posts, and events. Stay updated by liking and following our Facebook page, URS PBS IT Students League. Also show support for our CCS organization, CCS SB iConnect, ITSL, and ISSL. Stay tuned for the next episode of Tech Career Stories podcast. Once again, I'm Alfredo Reyes, Deputy of the BSIT Student League of URS Binangonan. Let's continue connecting minds and coding our futures. Goodbye.